Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy student support services with USAC, full guide step by step clearly. To deploy student support services with USAC, begin by thoroughly researching the USAC guidelines. Familiarize yourself with the types of support services available. Identify the specific needs of your student population. Gather data on current student challenges and support gaps. Engage with stakeholders, including faculty and student representatives. Create a draft proposal outlining your support service objectives. Include a detailed plan for implementation. Set measurable goals for the services you want to offer. Secure funding by exploring grants and partnerships. Develop a timeline for deployment with clear milestones. Select a team of dedicated staff to manage the services. Provide training for the team to ensure they are well prepared. Design promotional materials to inform students about the new services. Launch an awareness campaign to encourage student engagement. Establish a feedback mechanism for ongoing improvement. Monitor the effectiveness of the support services regularly. Adjust your approach based on student feedback and outcomes. Celebrate successes and share data with stakeholders. Continue to evolve and adapt your services to meet changing student needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.